Okay. So Lachanach a tree, page 3. So if we're a tree jag, 13. Harish uran fligella, gli and kaliner agus huisha isteach is shomran doctora. So after another hour, Harish uran fligella, gli and kaliner, the girl called on him. Okay. I guess huisha isteach, and he went in, is shomran doctora, in the room of the doctor. If you want to ask someone to call you, Kurg Leek Autumn. Put a call on me. Put a call on me. That's the way you say Kurg Leek Autumn. Okay? Okay. How would you say he called me? Yeah, actually using this one as a mark. So Kurg Leek Autumn, put a call on me. How would you say he called me? Hershey, he put Gleich Autumn. Okay? Hershey Gleich Autumn, he called me. Okay, how would you say he called you? Hershey Gleich Ort. Okay. Okay, how about I called you? Yeah. Herme Gleich Ort. Okay, how about I called you in the morning? Herme. Herme Gleich Ort. Imagine I put a call on you in the morning. Okay?
Why is the cur and a her the same word if one's...
This is put, this is the command, this is the past.
Yeah. That can also look the same tense.
Oh, there's an H or not an H.
What about
That
Wilfred?
changes the tense.
Yeah, which is a good one actually. Kurime Gleich Ort.
I will call you.
Yeah, so Slan Kurime Gleich Ort. So bye, I'll call you. Okay, Kurime Gleich Ort. So what's it mean? Not Kur Gleich Orem, Kurimisha Gleich Ort.
Don't call
Don't
me.
call me.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now Kur don't put. Okay.
Well, I found out that I heard people over in Ireland saying, well, you call by, at such and such a time. And I thought, oh, that's cute. So I was at this shop getting my car fixed. And I said, well, call around. I says, can you call around with the car when it's done? And I meant call me. Well, he brought the car over to the place where I was staying. I said, that's sweet.
After the car was done?
Yeah, when the car was done, he called around with it, yeah.
All right, so let's read this one. So Taresh Uran Fligella, Gli and Kaliner, agus Huisha Isteach, is Shomran Doctora. So vi an doctor lecha nach hi ag a jask, ag skriv noti I laura. So was the doctor lecha in a he sitting ag a jask at his desk, ag skriv writing noti or notes I laura in a book. Okay? So vi an doctor lecha in a he ag a jask, ag skriv noti I laura. Okay. So he column gahir lina esh. So column sat in a chair next to him. He column sat column. Gahir in a chair. Lina ash. Le is it's a combination of le and ash, and it means lina ash means next to him. You just have to kind of know the expression, but it changes if you have different people. So how do you think you would say next to her? Lena hash. Lena hash. Okay, or you can have the mash next to me. Okay? Yeah, you see more with Lena ash and Lena hash. Okay. Number 16. Colm O'Shea's Anam Domsa. Okay, and I know that means Colm O'Shea is my name, is a name for me. Okay. How do you ask someone, what's your name? Karasanandich, and you say Colm O'Shea is Anam Dom. Okay. All right.
Oh, Shay, is Shay 7?
No.
Not like S-H-A-Y.
Yeah, but the name.
That's grandfather.
Yeah. Yeah, you see it written, in English you see it written this way. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Or O'Shea like this. All right. Number 17. Fan Pommel a dort en dochter Geall-Cuid. Okay, so Fan Pommel, wait a while. Pommel is a while. Said the doctor, Geall-Cuid brusquely. Okay. All right. If you see goch in there with a word with an adjective, it's usually going to be an ly. That's how you make an adverb in Irish. So Geall-Cuid would be brusque or abrupt, and Geall-Cuid brusquely. Okay. 18. Vi colum chuna hilla ara ach vashe gomerche nis kriena fanach na host. Okay. A bit involved. So literally, colum was towards more to say, but thought he that it would be it more wise to remain in his quietness. Okay. So first of all, the word ahilla, and you see them very often together. Ahilla means sort of like it's more of it. Okay, ahilla is often used just to mean more. Okay, you can ask someone, "Owayat ahilla, would you like some more?" Okay, Owayat ahilla, or you can say Owayat tilla. Or you can use tilla of something, so you can say tilla aragij, more money, more of money. Tilla bjorach, more beer. Tilla ishka, more water. Tilla shaklaij, more chocolate. Okay, tilla.
So that's his more or him?
Yeah, more of it, or yeah, you just sort of have the expression ahilla together. It just means more. Like you have Neil Isagam, there's an in there also. Really, I don't have its knowledge. In this one, he was going to say more of it or something. Okay, so we call him hunahilla ara, so he was going to say more. The hun, basically the combination of ta plus hun, to be towards doing something, means that you plan to do something or you're going to do something. Yeah, so tamechun imach, I'm going to leave. Okay. So we call him hunahilla ara, so he was going to say more. Ach vashe, but he thought vashe. Similar to the word mas that we had earlier, which is to respect someone, but in this case it means think as a verb, to think. Vashe. You can ask someone a question.
What do you think?
Mas too.
Oh, yeah.
Mas too. You can say something, Tasha teen mas too. If you sick, then you think, yeah. Okay. Or you can say Massam, I think. Massam go, I think that. Okay. So, Vashe, he thought, Gomeachshe, that it would be. Okay. So, Gowilshe, that it is. Gorevshe, that it was. Gomeachshe, that it would be.
Question.
Yeah.
So for mas two, even though it doesn't have like a near and e, it really means don't you think rather than do you think?
Yeah, Mass too. Yeah, it literally it's do you think? It's used a lot as a tag question to kind of you say,
Like, do you agree?
yeah. Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah. Alright, so, okay, Mass too.
Like,
Alright?
so you don't say after someone does something stupid. Just like, do you think?
No, it's not used that way. It's more like to agree with something you said. Okay.
It's just a sentence filler.
Yeah. Okay? Alright, so Gomeachshe, that would be Nis Kriana, more prudent. Kriana is prudent or wise. Nis Kriana. Fanach, to stay or to remain. In a host, in his silencer. Okay? Like we had be the host, be quiet. kind of like in a he is to be sitting, and a hased is to be for him to be standing, and a host is to be for him to be silent. It's one of those words that you are in it. Okay. So a couple examples of using those words. So in sentence A, would you like some more orwalia tahila? Okay. So next one is I don't eat meat anymore. Ni ihim fiol ahila. Okay. And then we already did number C earlier. Be the host, right? Okay. So let's read the main sentence. So vi kolam panahila ara. Ach vashe gomerche nis kriana. Fanach den host. Okay. Number 19. Parish Tamalin, diary and doctor as in scrib noracht.